Hi, I'm Dan Ballack, and welcome to South Haven Brewpub. We're going to show you how to make the perfect lemon shandy. Shandies are one of our most popular drinks. They're great for the patio, great for the boats, great for just a summer afternoon. And we're going to start with your sugar, water, and lemons. Pretty basic. Everybody's got them at home. The best way to do it is take about 6 cups of water, boil it just enough to dissolve about a cup of sugar, and then squeeze 1 to 2 lemons. Now that we've made the perfect lemonade, let's make the perfect shandy. Starts with about 1/3 of a cup of lemonade, and then you have to get the perfect beer, which is our B.T.B.L, better known as Better Than Bud Light. And then top it with a lemon. This shandy is one of a kind because you can't get this beer anywhere else. It's made on site and it's not distributed anywhere. Although we're teaching you all the tricks to make the perfect shandy at home, you still have to come here to get the perfect beer. So after meeting with multiple financial institutions, Honor Credit Union was the first that gave me a chance, really believed in my dream, and has stuck with me all the way. Cheers to Honor Credit Union and making South Haven Brewpub possible.